Hi guys, I was looking for a basic kind of helmet for running daily errands around my locality, which is not more than 5 to 10 kilometers. Something that doesn't bother me even when I thrash it around or it gets scratched. So I went with these studs. Let's see how it holds together to my kind of usage, and I'll update you guys as I move along. And mind you, this is not a review or an overview, but just an unboxing. And these three things are not the same. And you will know it if you are somebody who has been following my content. So enjoy the unboxing.